Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what the Rainbow Bouquet does in Heartopia. So you can get it by popping these like rainbow bubbles when there's the rainbow weather. So take it out of your inventory and just press F. You can also spread it like near your friends and they'll get it as well. So you guys can like take turns using the bouquet. Let me just put this back. And it says here, Rainbow Clover Blessing increases the chance of higher star results in fishing, cooking, insect catching, pumpkin carving, sand sculpting. Okay. It says it increases the chance of higher stake results in fishing, cooking, insect catching, pumpkin carving, sand sculpting, and snow sculpting. Also has a chance to apply a rainbow breeding pattern when watering effects last 30 minutes. So this is your chance to also, water your flowers. I can't close this now. Okay, whatever. So basically, like when you cook, you can get like more stars. Here, I'll show you in like a minute. Let me just cook some lattes. Oh my god. Okay, let's see. So it says rainbow blessing here, and then there should be like an added star when you're cooking. So you can get more points for your hobby, basically. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.